Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, C. Raj Chawla, Vice Chairman, MSME and Startup Committee of ICI. Welcome you all in this today topic, Startup and MSME at 360 degree, all about government initiatives and its websites. Government of India is taking proactive measure to boost MSME and startup sector. The recent initiative includes emergency credit line guarantee scheme, which resulted into rapid recovery of Indian economy post COVID-19. The MSME, which is considered as backbone of the economy, also getting benefited out of these schemes. Apart from the MSME, the government has taken various initiatives to build the startup ecosystem. As chartered accountant, we all have witnessed the growth of startups in recent year. We have seen that within a span of 2 years, the number of registration under MSME have gone 4 times. On 15th of August 22, the number of registration under MSME were 1 crore only. But as on today, if you see, more than 4 crore registrations are there. So friends, startup nowadays are valued in terms of hectocorn, decacorn, unicorn, and so on. This could have been possible only because of the recent initiatives by the government. To deal with today's topic, we would like to invite our coordinator and speaker of the session, CA Divyam Jainji will coordinate the session, and CA Kunal Kathuria ji, he will take the session for 2 hours. So now I request CA Divyam Jainji to please take up the session.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Raji. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to introduce our distinguished speaker, Mr. Kunal Kathuria. With a stellar academic background, including qualification as a chartered accountant, a financial advisor, and a forensic detective, a BCom, Mr. Kathuria brings a wealth of expertise to the table. As a seasoned professional in the field, Mr. Kathuria serves as a partner of Pasricha & Company, a prestigious firm established in 1976, located in Panipat, Haryana. His dedication and proficiency in the field have earned him a recognition as a practicing chartered accountant, a role he executes with excellence. Mr. Kathuria influence extends beyond professional practice. He has been invited to share his insights and knowledge at esteemed institutions such as Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Institute of Company Secretary of India, BHEL, CBDT, the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, as well as various colleges affiliated with Kurukshetra University and Punjab University. Finally, let's welcome our Kunal sir. Kunal sir, please. I would like to finally hand it over to you.
First of all, I would like to thank you, all of you who invited me for the session. Thank you, CA Dheeraj Kumar Handelwal ji, Chairman of Committee of MSME and Startup ICI. Thanks to CA Dr. Raj Chawla ji, Vice Chairman of Committee on MSME and Startup and ICI. And also congratulate to sir for his daughter wedding. But I would also like to say sorry for not being able to attend the wedding due to bank audit. Thanks to CA Divyam Jain, the coordinator of the day, for the lovely introduction. I would like to start with the couplet. जीना हो तो फूल बन के मत जियो, खिलोगे तो तोड़ दिए जाओगे. जीना हो तो फूल बन के मत जियो, खिलोगे तो तोड़ दिए जाओगे. जीना हो तो चट्टान बन के जियो, जब तराशे गए तो खुदा बन जाओगे. ये कुछ लाइनें हैं जिनसे मैं शुरुआत करता हूं, जो हमारी नीड भी है आज के टाइम पे. Today we will discuss about startup and MSME. First of all, what is MSME and what is startup? ये हमारे सामने हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन आता रहेगा. अगर हम देखें, what is MSME? You have already mentioned the definition of MSME many times. There is no use of talking about it now. You have seen it many times on WhatsApp and have read the message of the definition. There is another definition of startup. You can see MSME definition on Google also. I'm not going to detail about this definition. Next definition is startup. Today, anyone who open a new business say that he started up. He is going to start up. But is it a recognized startup or not? Till now, almost 1.25 lakh startup have been recognized in India. As you can see in the definition of startup, there are such startup which are corporate, such as private limited company, partnership company, LLP. You can see what is the definition of a startup: incorporated, private limited company, partnership firm, or LLP, whose turnover is below 100 crore and whose life is below 10 years. It means it was established in 2014. If we are going to recognize it in 2024, should be working. The main point is it is because of innovation it is going to be recognized. It is because of it is generating employment it is going to recognize. And the fifth most important point is an entity formed by splitting up or reconstruction of an existing business shall not be considered as startup. It means the giants of our industry, big companies, uh, they can recognize their startup by splitting up, but in definition they have already been disallowed for the recognition of a startup. Now the question is arise. I want to ask a question to Divyam. Uh, who is the first female finance minister of India?
We are present only Honorable Shri Nirmala Sitharaman ji.
Uh, Nirmala
The first-
Sitharaman ji.
And Indira Gandhi was before, yeah. And
I would like to start with a story. In 1979, Moraji Desai was the first.
okay,
Moraji Desai was the finance minister at that time. He resigned from his post against the nationalization of the bank, and
Okay.
then Prime Minister Shrimati Indira Gandhi had to take over the post of finance minister, thus becoming the first accidental female finance minister of India.
okay.
Also, I would like to ask another question that who was the founder of Maruti Udyog? दिव्यम कहेगा मेरा आज केबीसी का क्वेश्चन चल रहा है. Who was the founder of Maruti Udyog?
I'm not aware about that, Kunal ji. I think
It was Rajiv Gandhi ji and his brother. After, after that, after nationalization of bank, that Maruti Udyog got a huge amount of loan from the bank, and after some time it became NPA. It was amalgamated to Maruti Suzuki. Uh, all of you are digging some story in your mind. I don't want to say anything like that. Mother always take care of her children. In the same way, today the special female finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji is also taking care of all his children, or you can say children of Bharat Mata. We will look forward how they are taking care of that. Uh, today we will talk about some stages of business
she was.
where the government is supporting in different way. I would like to ask from Divyam, what is the first thing required to start a business?
What's the first thing
Required
required?
to start a business.
Initial, I would say it's a first a willingness, a idea, and
Yes,
secondly a
it's,
capital.
it's idea. First, most important thing is idea. Idea, एक idea जो बदल दे आपकी जिंदगी. What an idea, sir. On this stage, I would like to start with another page of my PPT, Karan and Arjun. On this stage, I would like to talk about the two children of Bharat Mata. First is Karan and second is Arjun. Karan was very sharp and Arjun was not that sharp in comparison, but knew how to work skill base, haath ki kala. But mother will have to take care of every child. First of all, we will talk about Karan. Please note down the website I'm mentioning, innovative.msme.gov.in. Do you know that hackathon are organized in many countries. Many companies put some queries or problem before the public and say that whoever solve it will give a reward. Many IT companies started following the same concept in India. Then the government of India also followed the same and put some problem before the public and said that whosoever solve the problem will give you 15 lakh. मोदी जी कहते थे 15 लाख हर एक खाते में आएंगे. कहाँ आए हैं 15 लाख? I am giving the proof of hackathon. You can search on this website. I'm opening the website link and sharing the same. Wait. I'm sharing another page of website. Devam, we are making it more practical because theory is.
Yes, definitely. I think it will be a great interactive session for the participants seeing right now. They would be able to see it practically.
Yeah.
It's a very good initiative.
Thank you. This is innovative.msme.gov.in. In this, three themes are there. First one is incubation. Second one is design. Third one is IPR. We can say intellectual property right. Government say if you have idea, like if you have idea of converting the potato into the gold, like यहाँ से आलू डालेंगे यहाँ से सोना निकलेगा.
सोना निकलेगा.
Idea. Government said convert this idea into prototype and have 15 lakh from me. This is incubation hackathon. You know, website is visible. MSME Idea Hackathon 3.0.
Yes. It's rightly visible.
There was also already two hackathon happened, MSME Hackathon 1.0 and 2.0. 3.0 is for women, due to women empowerment. You can search out the downloads hackathon results. You can see the old hackathon result. There was in 2021 list of 276 idea already approved and 15 lakh already transferred to those students, those school going or college going guys, or male and female. So मोदी जी जो कहते थे 15 लाख कहाँ आएंगे, 15 लाख दे रहे हैं, बट उनको दे रहे हैं जो कुछ करना चाहते हैं देश के लिए. So government say convert that idea into prototype, we will pay a 15 lakh. Well, whatever funding we are going to talk about today, it will be given by government by keeping some middleman in between. No, I am not going to talk about that middleman. It is always like it is college, like in this incubation scheme, college have been appointed as middleman of this. You can see HI list. This is host institute. We can approach the host institute of colleges. If they are willing to incubate us, they will provide 15 lakh as grant to convert the idea into the prototype. So there will always be a middleman in the government is not going to provide you a fund directly in your account. There always be middleman in the hackathon, in always scheme. Now if your prototype is ready, then government is giving up to 50 lakh to convert that it actual design. Not 15 lakh, actually 15 lakh was revised to 40 lakh. I'm again sharing back. This is the main website design. Now prototype is ready to converting the potato into gold. Now you can make a huge machine so that बहुत सारे आलू डाले जाए, बहुत सारा सोना निकाला जाए. तो उसके लिए 40 लाख की फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस मिल रही है. how to avail financial assistance. Their website is already there. You can read, because I'm going to talk about lot of website today. It is research of around 2 and 3 years of searching the website and putting all the website in the website in the PPT. You can see for availing the 40 lakh grant financial assistance, how to avail financial assistance, who can apply, do you have Udyam registration, then you can go for registration also. This is the website for design. Then now you have made a machine to convert potato into gold. Now you are afraid that somebody will copy your design. Then the question of IPR comes, intellectual property right, so that ये जो मैंने मशीन बनाई है वो कोई कॉपी ना कर ले, वो आइडिया कोई कॉपी ना कर ले. Government is giving you the form of reimbursement of expense including professional fees and the government fees for taking the trademark and uh, you know patent. You have reimbursement of patent, reimbursement of GI, geographical indicator. Divyam, have you heard about
Or
Kolhapuri, Kolhapuri,
I've heard this word, yes.
Kolhapuri chappal ya Rampuri chaku?
Yes, yes, yes.
This
Kolhapuri chappal, yes, I've heard this.
yes, this is Kolhapuri chappal. Chappal is normal we wear, and it is geographical indication that Kolhapuri is famous for that chappal. Rampuri is famous for that knife. So one association can apply for, like, I am practicing in Panipat. Panipat is famous for blanket.
Yes.
Here, if we invent some unique blanket, some association can go for geographical indication, like this is Panipat blanket. So we can apply for reimbursement of that also. I'm going to open patent firstly. The scheme is in about scheme. Scheme is visible.
Yes, yes, yes. It's visible.
So if you are going to apply for foreign patent, we can apply for maximum grant financial assistance of 5 lakh up to 5 lakh. Domestic patent, it is 1 lakh. GI registration, yani geographical indicator, it is 2 lakh. In design registration, it is 15,000, and it is in trademark, it is 10,000. We can claim for reimbursement of IPR, So a government is promoting at the idea stage various scheme for the current. Next, we are going to talk about Arjun, who is not that not that sharp, but is in the field of skill base. I am getting back to PPT. Wait. So next one is Arjun. The website I have mentioned, you can note down, or you can take screenshot of the same. Some websites are not visible. It can be screenshot by, let's say, nsti.dgt.gov.in. Now let's talk about Arjun. Bharat Mata is supporting every child. One of my friend has a CNC machine. Nowadays, you must have seen Om design, some temple design in बंगला कोठी. तो उसमें टेम्पल्स के डिजाइन्स अलग अलग आते हैं. किसी में कोरियन पत्थर के, किसी में लकड़ के, wood के तो to learn how to operate the CNC, it is made by CNC machine. My friend learned it in 2000 around 12 or 13 by giving around 2 lakh rupees for knowing how to operate that CNC machine. Now government has given that course in only 7,500 only, and in some case they free of cost. It is also offering for some backward classes persons or caste. I'm going to open one website, abdcmsme.gov.in. Person who is skill India wants to go for skill India. There are like around 10 autonomous body for under development of commissioner, which is also called tool room, central tool room. It is in Kolkata, Ludhiana, Hyderabad, Jalandhar, Indore, Ahmedabad, Aurangabad, Bhubaneswar, Jamshedpur, Guwahati. Also, there are some technology development center, TDC. There are six center in Mumbai, Ramnagar, Kanauj, Firozabad, Agra, Meerut. Also, there are two training institute named Technical Development Center in Agra and Chennai. Uh, they are preparing for Skill India. They are. I'm going to open one in Ludhiana. Like I'm going to show some tools or some courses which they are offering, training and courses. There are short term courses and long term courses which they are offering. .org is mentioned in this. .gov.in is mentioned. uh, we are talking about some website in which there might be .gov.in. That website is governed by government, central government, state government, but in some case there are .org, .in or .com. I talk about middleman. They appoint some middleman, some organization, or have tie up or have some MOU with some organization to provide skill base or funding or subsidy to the public. So this is some tie up. .org might be some MOU will be there. So they are teaching some courses like short term courses, CAD, CNC machine. I'm talking about 9,000, 5,900, 5,900. In some cases, for backward, this fees is waived off. Nothing will be charged. You can see the complete admission and uh, just read it in detail. Uh, Next, we are going to talk about. I am going to shift to. Let's talk about RCT also. Wait, I'm sharing another link. NACPR. It is not opening. You can. I'm sharing the website link in the PPT. Hi Divyam.
Yes. Yes.
Now you are reading a word RCT in PPT. PPT is showing.
Yes, yes. It's visible.
What is this? RCT. This. The government gathered all the banks and asked who is the biggest beneficiary in the Haryana. उन्होंने सभी बैंकों को इकट्ठा किया और कहा कि सबसे बड़ा बैंक आपका यहाँ पे हरियाणा में किसका है, सेम राजस्थान में किसका है, पंजाब में किसका है, कर्नाटका में किसका है.
Okay.
PNB raised its hand in Haryana. The government said you run a skill training center till the end. I will give you some of the expense, but it will be head over by the manager of your bank. There are such RCT open in every district where about 60 type of courses are there, which are conducted free of cost. In fact, food is also provided free of cost. And if you are from outside, then hostel is also provided during the course, which is also free of cost. The website I'm going to show, nacer.in. Let me open that website. This is one example of RCT. There are a lot of RCT in every state. You know, it depends on the banking, who is leading bank in that state. RCT Parnam, resources, books, sample question paper, assessment. National Academy for same manner. There are root safety scheme, RCT, RUDSETI, in which various skill based courses are there for the persons. Now you look the next point of our PPT. This is NSTI. NSTI, what is NSTI? National Skill Training Institute. Many skill related courses are also given to you in full month free at the fees of one meal of MACD. अराउंड 150 रुपीस में पूरे मंथ की कोर्सेज का यहाँ पे हमारे कराए जाते हैं नेशनल स्किल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स में. सो देयर आर lot of skill based activities which are provided by government for Karan and Arjun also. Now the next question arise in विलेजेस में हमें काम स्टार्ट करना होता था तो हमें ठाकुर दुर्जन सिंह के पास जाना होता था. जो हमें उनका डायलॉग भी आता होगा, जा सिमरन जा जिले अपनी जिंदगी. सो नाउ वन हैड टू गो टू ठाकुर दुर्जन सिंह to open a business in a village. In India, many people require license, but the issue is which license is required for which business. For that, the website link has been launched, nsws.gov.in. That is National Single Window Scheme.gov.in. From this website, we also got to know that it is also very useful for our client for perspective of practicing chartered accountant also. कभी कभी हमें भी पता नहीं होता कि कौन सा लाइसेंस चाहिए इसको. So
Yes.
जब भी यू नो किसी क्लाइंट से मीटिंग होती है तो मैं इसमें डाल के सारी डिटेल डाल के उसमें देख लेता हूँ कि विच लाइसेंस ही रिक्वायर्ड, व्हाट इज द cost of that license, what is the timeline of that license. So client can also search out this website and you know write down all the license and and you can also apply from that website. I'm sharing the screen of this website. SWS. This, we can assess around 658 central approval, license through this website. Wait. And 6,171 approval of state. पहले HVAT होता था, इसके अलावा pollution control. You can search central approval, state approval, scheme approval, and like this, like in chemical business, which license are required. Going to talk about state. I'm going to talk about, let's say, Bihar. Continue with state, and we have to answer just 4 to 5 pages, like land utility, business related जो हो गए, wait, please select the relevant requirement for business, please sector specific, then business related, some queries are there. Then after answering all the question, we will get a PDF of around 15 to 20 points that these license are required for your kind of business. Also, we can proceed the link and the last PDF in which we can go for the let's say कि हमें GST अप्लाई करना है तो हमें GST की वेबसाइट पे जाना पड़ता है, बट उसमें जाने की नीड नहीं है. वी कैन गो फ्रॉम दिस वेबसाइट डायरेक्टली on nsws.gov.in. Next, the most important question. I'm going to shift to presentation. The next question, which is paisa, funding. Many chartered accountants are there making the profession as funding most important in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. They provide funding to the client from bank, from private equity, from VC, from HNA clients, from government. You can see that government is helping on this stage also. Again, there are two children of Bharat Mata, रवि वर्मा एंड विजय वर्मा. हमें सबको वो डायलॉग तो याद होगा, मेरे पास बंगला है, प्रॉपर्टी है, गाड़ी है, मेरे पास क्या है. रवि वर्मा चिल्लाता है कि मेरे पास माँ है. सो in Ravi Verma always required blessing of her mother. He didn't required amount of subsidy. So Bharat Mata launched blessing scheme, cdtmsc.in, in full form, Credit Guarantee Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises, in which up to 5 crore amount of loan is provided without collateral. That it was the time in 2000, my father applied for 30,000 loan, and he got rejected due to not having the collateral or primary security. So 30,000 amount was rejected कि कुछ गिरवी रखने के लिए नहीं है. But now government is providing up to 5 crore without collateral. It is a blessing of the mother of Bharat Mata who is giving that. Next, nsic.co.in. In this, there is a scheme, raw material assistance against bank guarantee. We all know that bank guarantee is a non-fund based limit which cannot be discounted. Like it can be like we bring bank guarantee paper and go to someone and say discount it and give me, this is guarantee paper of 1 crore, give me some money around 80 lakh. Nobody will going to provide you that. They will reject it, like कि ये बीजी का पेपर है, बैंक गारंटी मुझे 1 करोड़ की लिमिट मिली हुई है, तो आप वो रखो और मुझे 80 लाख रुपीस दे दो उसके बदले, कोई प्रोवाइड नहीं करने वाला. बट अंडर दिस स्कीम, through the main bank guarantee paper, the raw material can be purchased through NSIC. If we analyze in detail, then it turned out to be a case of double financing. But the government is allowing us for our benefit, like we are giving the collateral of stock and having the limit of bank guarantee, and again discounting the bank guarantee paper through NSIC, and having that raw material purchase. So another scheme is agriinfra.dac.gov.in. It is also, I'm going to open the link. Yeah. This is a National Agriculture Infra Financing Facility. My partner is working on this and horticulture scheme. I'm going to talk about in 5 minutes. This is lending institution, eligible institution, eligible project कौन कौन से है, like uh, we already mentioned potato, to converting it to gold. तो मुझे आलू का साइज जो है बड़ा वाला चाहिए, छोटे छोटे आलू नहीं चाहिए मुझे. तो उसकी सेग्रीगेशन के लिए कुछ मशीन्स लगती है, जैसे कि आप ये देखिए, इन क्रॉप्स, मिलेट्स, राइस, एलिजिबल प्रोजेक्ट्स आर क्लीनिंग, टी स्टोनिंग, पत्थर उसमें से निकाल के करना, सॉर्टिंग, यानी कि मैकडी के लिए आलू जो है बड़ा साइज का चाहिए होता है और बाकी काम के लिए छोटे छोटे आलू चाहिए होते हैं, तो सॉर्टिंग एंड ग्रेडिंग. these project are eligible, these eligible project activities, and these are not eligible. So what is the benefit? I'm going to show about scheme. These are the beneficiary list, we can check it out. These are the main features of the scheme. There is credit guarantee which increased to 5 crore. Interest subvention of 3% is there, limited to 2 crore per project. लैंडिंग रेट में कुछ है, मैक्सिमम जो है 25 प्रोजेक्ट जो है इसके अंदर कवर कर सकते हैं. कुछ इसमें सब इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन का बेनिफिट है, कुछ बेनिफिट्स इसमें अनसिक्योर्ड लोन का है, और कुछ सब्सिडीज भी इसके अंदर मिक्स एंड मैशअप की हुई है. सेम इन द केस ऑफ, आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट, shifting to PPT. Now Vijay Verma is there. CLCSS scheme, Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme. In this 15% of subsidy, विजय वर्मा वो कहते थे कि मेरे मेरे पास बंगला है, प्रॉपर्टी है, सो तो उसको सब्सिडी के तौर पे बंगला प्रॉपर्टी दिया गया एक टाइप का. सो कैपिटल, बट यू कैन रिलेट द वर्ड विद द कैपिटल सब्सिडी. You know capital expenditure, so there is subsidy of capital expenditure of around 15 lakh, 15%. I'm going to open the website. wait. Site is down for maintenance of the CLCS scheme, but you note down the website name. I'm again showing it. This is the website. The next website is many professionals are working on this scheme, PMAGP scheme. The website link is kviconline.gov.in. In this subsidy of around 10 to 35% project are limited. In case of service, this is 20 lakh cap is there, and in case of manufacturing 50 lakh cap is there. I'm going to open the website and sharing it here. Yeah, it's there. This is the main website of KVIC. You can see a .gov.in is there. It means it is government website. You can check MSI DI list from. You have to connect with their contact number. The process of the same online EDP. The process is there. Complete process is there. In this, around 10 to 35% subsidy is there. Now I'm shifting to PPT again. The next scheme is a cluster scheme. What is there in cluster scheme? Like you are in handloom industry, the first step is natural yarn or process yarn. For process yarn, let's suppose person A is supplying old cloth or imported cloth or selling it to person B. And person B is mainly doing the work of segregation, like black cloth to one, ब्लू क्लॉथ वन, लाल कपड़े एक साथ कर दिए, काले कपड़े एक साथ कर दिए. Then it is selling to person C who convert it into the used cotton from weaving machine. उसे कॉटन बना लेते हैं वीविंग मशीन से and sell it to person D who make thread out of it, and then person D sell it to person E who makes blanket or mat out of that. The government asks us all to come together and create a special purpose vehicle, and also set up an industry and provide you subsidy of around 90% to create that cluster. I'm going to open the website. Yes. This is the website of cluster. Achievement at a glance, scheme guidelines we have to study. This is the scheme guidelines. 1 CFC, 2 CFC, infra development, total project code 5 crore to 10 crore. There is a subsidy of 90%. 70% is provided by Government of India, central government, 20% is provided by state government, and 10% you have to contribute out of special purpose vehicle. Person A, B, C, D, E out of the pocket. If the project is 10 crore to 30 crore, the central government is going to provide you 60%, state government is going to provide 20%, and 20% is out of special purpose vehicle. If there is a case of infra development new, 5 crore to 15 crore, 60% and central government will provide, 40% state government will provide. You can read the scheme. I'm not going to talk about complete that scheme. I'm providing you the link. किसी को खिलाने के बजाय उनको सिखा दो कि कैसे बनाया जाता है, तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा माना जाता है. So I am going to provide you the link of all the websites. You can study it. The website name is cluster.dcmsme.gov.in. Report is there. SPV वाइज पेंडिंग रिपोर्ट कितनी है, MSME स्टेट वाइज पेंडिंग रिपोर्ट कितनी है. यू कैन सर्च इट आउट. डायरेक्टरी किसे हमें कांटेक्ट करना है, डायरेक्टरी ऑफ DC MSME क्या है, DS MSME DFO कौन है, CDO है, जिन जिन से हमें कनेक्ट करना होता है. तो कंप्लीट chartered accountant will always be needed in this process. Client can not directly उन हमें पढ़ने के लिए कोई पर्सन चाहिए ना क्लाइंट को. सो यू कैन रीड द स्कीम एंड हेल्प इट टू क्लाइंट. यू कैन चार्ज ऑन amount percentage wise commission, or if subsidy is there for 50 lakh, you can charge for 5 lakh or 6 lakh depending on the scenario and the city you belong and the time you devote. I am shifting to the main PPT. There is also another scheme of horticulture scheme for commercial horticulture and cold storage. The website is nhb.gov.in. I'm going to open this website. This is the website of National Horticulture Board. We can read the scheme guidelines. Scheme 1, technology development transfer scheme, market information scheme, horticulture promotion scheme. There is a scheme of subsidy, subvention. We can help the client and complete cost of guidelines. This is the list of beneficiary in 2022-23. These are the beneficiary. Andhra Pradesh, this sweet orange project was there. 71 lakh was the project cost of the EPC, and amount release was 12 lakh. आप बैंक ऑडिट में जब जाते हो तो आप बहुत से सर्टिफिकेट्स पे साइन करते हो, तो उसमें कुछ सब्सिडीज, कुछ सबवेंशंस की स्कीम होती है, तो अब वो कागज बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. दिस इज द रीजन. आई एम गोइंग टू फॉर दिल्ली. It is alphabetically. Gujarat general category, project of 1.12 crore, 53 lakh subsidy was there, and it is on capsicum, cucumber. There is 21 base total. There are around, this is the subsidy amount. So we can search it out. In 21-22 list of beneficiary are there. I'm shifting back to my PPT. So you must have noticed that whatever subsidy is being received it is through loan or financing. Like you set up a project, take a loan, and then we will give you subsidy. Here the middleman government has kept as banker. Middlemen will always be there. Banker are middlemen, to take care project is going on smoothly, no default is there. So are you getting my point? Now I spoke about next page, Sumitra Devi, mere Karan Arjuna aayenge. What she says is that you are in the trap of loan these days. Kitne loan lega tu? Please go and watch Shark Tank India. She said that you can take 2% equity in exchange of rupees 1 crore, but you are working like that loan के चक्कर में. तो वो शार्क टैंक देखना, वो 2% की इक्विटी देके 1 करोड़ लेना, वैसा कुछ करना. So this very scheme was launched even at the behest of Sumitra Devi. Nowadays, you are hearing that in the share market, IPO of SME listed company are coming. Many CACS have been doing this in work. In fact, we have also got a few SME listed, but due to ethics, I cannot disclose the name of that client. SME exchange is the very good scheme for professional also. In this compliance work of the listed company have been done in the framework of compliance of like जितने लिस्टेड कंपनी के कंप्लाइंस होते थे उससे बहुत कम कंप्लाइंस एसएमई लिस्टेड कंपनीज को करने पड़ रहे हैं. अंडर दिस इवन द स्मॉल कंपनी कैन रियलाइज इट ड्रीम ऑफ बिकमिंग बिग. एक छोटी सी कंपनी भी बड़ा बनने का सपना जो है वो साकार कर सकती है. आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन द वेबसाइट ऑफ एनएससी इंडिया and showing it on this is listing on Emerge. This is also a small SME exchange. Listing agreement, SME mentoring, and eligibility. Listing for SME condition. The issuer on SME have to adhere these law, security contract act, companies act, security. Website is not updated. Contract companies act 2013 should be there. So there, these are the track record and listing for startup, eligibility, listing for Emerge ITP, and also was the eligibility criteria, registration and process, selecting a merchant banker, SME process is there, and we can see some relaxation of listing requirement for these SME listed companies also there. Now I am shifting back to my main PPT. Yes, after SME exchange, just like अभी पीछे बैंक्स की मीटिंग्स हमने कहा कि बैंक्स की मीटिंग बुलाई, उनको कहा कि तुम स्किल इंडिया का एक कोर्स करो. जस्ट एज ए मीटिंग ऑफ द बैंक, in the same way the government called a meeting of all the VC venture capitalists and said that you all should come together and fund the SME sector. First, the venture capitalist said that the bad debt will increase significantly. Then government launched another scheme, fund for startup, through which they started funding the VC and said started giving 5 times of their money, that is to the SME sector. If the government, if government has given 20 crore to VC through this fund for startup scheme, then government said VC have to invest 100 crore, that is 5 times of 20 crore in the SME sector. In this manner, the issue of the bad debt that is coming into the mind of NSC got resolved. That is why this fund is also called father fund. Father fund because it is giving to money to VC, and this is called daughter fund. That is, they are giving fund to SME sectors. You can check the website. This is good website. Go on the website. This yes, I'm going to share the screen. Yes. This is the commitment under management 5,335 crore March 24 up tak ki. You can search corporate beneficiary MSME. These are the list of MSME which got benefited under this scheme. A1 Cruise Private Limited, Ayush Technology Private Limited, Adomo Private Limited, AI Palette, AI Palette India Private Limited, All Building Material Technology Private Limited. They got the benefit of this scheme. I'm going to open the empaneled daughter fund. These are list of VC venture capitalists. There are 53 types of venture capitalists are there. I'm going to open the one document list. We can see name of the venture capitalist, name of the investment manager, sector agnostic. Key. We can search if who is going to apply in this my sector fund corpus. What is the fund corpus? They are going to capital commitment from SRI fund. Ankit Jain is the contact person. They are offering you the contact number of the VC directly. भैया VC directly बात तक नहीं करते, and they are providing the contact number of VC to the MSC sector. You can share the pitch deck with them and approach for the funding. There is list of around 51 53 venture capitalists in which you know read the website name nvcfl.co.in. It is against the tie-up, not government sponsored website. Government and some middleman, venture capitalists or some association. This is the scheme of venture capitalists, complete self-reliant India SRI fund. This is the father of fund. You can read that which I mentioned. If government is giving 20 lakh the daughter fund, read that website in after the session. I'm not going to in detail. Another point, I'm going to shifting to Sumitra Devi. The next point is seed fund scheme grant. Seed fund yani the person who is at the initial state, angel investor जिनकी need होती है, same government is going to give grant of 20 lakh as grant, that is non-refundable, and 50 lakh as unsecured loan. Let me open the website. Continue with safety. Read the website name of the website, sidbvcf.in. Again, it is not government website, but some middleman is there, some association might be there, or some MOU might be there. It is with SIDBI. You can read committed contribution, number of funds sanctioned under various scheme. 1,500 companies investment is there, and 1,200 MSME startup spotted in this scheme. This is the fund: Aspire Fund, IBF Fund, FF Fund. Various scheme are there in this one scheme. This is the commitment. We can read the detail Aspire scheme from this, IVF scheme from this, UPSF scheme. This is the fund cancelled. See, Kalari Capital Partner India IB, KCP New. ये कुछ फंड विड्रॉ हुए हैं. लाइक किसी ने कुछ फ्रॉड किया या कुछ, वो साथ साथ इसको मॉनिटर भी कर रहे हैं कि कुछ ऐसा कोई कुछ गलत यूज ना हो रहा हो, मिस यूज ना हो रहा हो, एंड यूज जो है वो सही है नहीं है. अगेन कॉन्टेक्ट ऑफ फंड, अगेन दैट BC पॉइंट्स, there are 53 list is more, around 91 partners are associated under this scheme. We can contact directly to VC share, but इतना भी तंग मत करना कि वो ब्लॉक ही कर दे. So we जेंटली हमें उनको अप्रोच करना है, अपना पिच डेक लेके उनको सब कुछ शो करना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शिफ्ट अगेन टू सुमित्रा देवी. There is a scheme of I'm going to talk about Startup India Investor Connect. The website link is investorconnect.startupindia.gov.in. I'm going to open that website. This is the website of investorconnect.startupindia.gov.in. For startups, we have to register there. For as if again we can come with the investor point of view also. If you have list of HNI clients, you can register them with on this portal. अगेन जिनके पास बहुत सारा पैसा होता है तो उन्हें संभालने के लिए कोई चाहिए होता है. सो तुम उसका शक्तिमान तुम बन के आ सकते हो. फॉर इन्वेस्टर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट विल बी ऑलवेज बी देयर. फॉर इन्वेस्टर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, some technical points are there, like registration of investment opportunity, कहाँ इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. अगेन इट इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ जस्ट लाइक शादी.com, जहाँ पे मेल फीमेल आपस में मिलकर शादी करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे स्टार्टअप और इन्वेस्टर, अगेन इट इज .gov.in, यानी कि ये गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट है. 56 स्टार्टअप अप्लाई. अब देखियो आप, एटर्नल एमर्जिंग एंटरप्राइज फंड एक लॉन्च हुआ था, उन्होंने अपना अमाउंट डाला था, तो 56 स्टार्टअप ने अप्लाई किया. अगेन यहाँ पे जो है टेक एंड टेक इनेबल स्टार्टअप था, 30 स्टार्टअप्स ने अलाउड अप्लाई किया. देखो सरकार कर तो बहुत कुछ रही है बट अवेयरनेस नहीं है. सो जिसको पता चल गया भाई वो तो स्कीम का बेनिफिट ले जाएगा. There are a scheme of Chirate invest in technology startup and seed at A round, B stage, 320 startup applied. So we have lot of opportunity as in point of view of businessman, as in point of view of investor, and always जहाँ बिजनेस बढ़ेगा वहां पे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की तो नीड पड़ेगी. मैं हमेशा एक कहानी, एक लाइन बोलता हूँ कि बिजनेसमैन अगर बढ़ता है तो दो ही लोग खुश होते हैं. एक पहले है उनके माँ बाप और दूसरा है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. तीसरा जो है पड़ोसी भी अगर बिजनेसमैन बढ़ रहा होता है तो वो भी जलता है कि ये कैसे बढ़ रहा है. सो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, क्योंकि बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी बढ़ रही है तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के लिए भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है वो बढ़ रही है बहुत सारी अच्छी खासी. बट वी हैव टू लुक इट डाउन. नाउ आई एम शिफ्टिंग टू सुमित्रा देवी. There is website named jansamarth.in. I'm going to open that website and sharing it. दिव्यम आप भी नोट किए जा रहे हो वेबसाइट, मैं देख रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. It's really insightful information. I think it will be really helpful for me too. Knowledge sharing बढ़ती रहनी चाहिए.
So Jansamarth website is there. If you apply for a small amount of around 20 lakh 30 lakh PMEGP, मुद्रा लोन, e-किसान लोन, एग्री लोन, बिजनेस एक्टिविटी लोन में जैसे यहाँ पे 6 टाइप ऑफ लोन है. लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू business activity में PMEGP, WMS, Viva Mudra Loan, PM Mudra Loan, PM Svinidhi, SRMS. But the issue is, if we approach the banker, we have to approach them to many times, for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months. इतने में जो ओनर है वो ही खो देता है कि यार चल छोड़ना यार, छोड़, अपने जॉब में ही चलते हैं. सो JanSmart portal is there. Again, it is dot in. Yeah, it means some person is there, some middleman is there, and MOU will be there from the government side. What we have to do? Just apply loan from this. We have to apply, register the same and apply it to nearby branches. And what they will do, JanSmart will again call in 2 days. सर उनका लोन हुआ क्या? अगेन 2 दिन में, सर उनका लोन हुआ क्या, कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट पेंडिंग है क्या? दे विल नॉट चार्ज एनीथिंग फ्रॉम यू. They will getting funding from government side. What they are doing, they again call, सर इनके कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट आपके पास, राम जी आए थे उन्होंने फाइल दे दी है, तो उनके कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट पेंडिंग है क्या? अच्छा ये वाले डॉक्यूमेंट है, ओके, मैं उनसे कम्युनिकेट करके आपको करवाता हूँ, उनको बोल देता हूँ. तो आपके पास फोन आएगा कि सर ये 4 डॉक्यूमेंट है वो प्रोवाइड कर दो, और रिसीविंग ले लेना. So they are guiding you as consultant, and again calling the banker for completion of the sanctioning of the loan to you. So this is the main website. Many of person don't know about this website. I'm shifting to again Sumitra Devi. Yes. So now we have completed the funding round. The next question, Divyam, next question after idea and funding, what will be the next question?
Implementation means design. Like we have thought of design, we have now getting the funds and starting the business.
फंड मिल गया, पैसा की बात होगी, VC से भी मिल गया, SME चाहिए, SME से भी मिल गया, पैसा आ चुका है. अब the next question is sale.
Manufacturing sale. Yes.
सेल का किया जाए कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का ज्ञान तो वो आइडिया स्टेज पे ले चुका है कि कैसे कैसे बनना है, कैसे कैसे क्या होना है. तो अब सेल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, मेन टारगेट ऑडियंस, द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग, audio will not be there, might be some media unavailable. I'm shifting to next page. There are 3 brother of son of Bharat Mata, Uday Shetty, Majnu Bhai and RDX. Uday Shetty was traditional businessman, Majnu Bhai was government tender lover, and RDX was export lover. So government will take care of each child, whether it is Uday Shetty, Majnu Bhai or RDX. For Uday Shetty, the most difficult thing in sale is to identify the target audience and how to trace that. There is a website which we all have used, but we have never seen it since then. In this, we can find out the name of the state and district and the product. Firstly, I'm going to open the website. उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन बहुत बार बोला है, बट किसी ने इस साइड ध्यान नहीं दिया. I am in the business of making thread. मैं धागे बनाता हूँ and wants to sell it to who is making a business of blanket. I just have to enter the state like Haryana. Blanket, Panipat is famous for blanket. Panipat, we just have to enter blanket and search. There are 650% are there who in the line of manufacturing of blanket. Open it up. 650 link. This is the target audience for manufacturer of thread. अगर आप धागे बनाते हो तो ब्लैंकेट की ये सारी लिस्ट आ चुकी है. A enterprise is there, address is there, state. You can send business query. You can just click on this. Pop-up will be there. Pop-up, I think it is blocked on my yes. Just enter your mail ID, just send your mail. But in small business mails ज्यादा कोई देखता नहीं है. So एक थॉट और आगे आ जाओ. आपके पास नाम है, एड्रेस है, गूगल पे डालो, फोन नंबर आपके सामने आ जाएगा. So हमारे पास टारगेट ऑडियंस आ गई. हमें सिर्फ 650 लोगों तक तो ट्रेस करना है. मुझे अगर थ्रेड मैन्युफैक्चरर एज इन 650 तक, इसमें से कई मेरे क्लाइंट ही दिख रहे हैं. सो 650 तक ट्रेस करना है. मेरे पास टारगेट ऑडियंस है. सो बहुत से लोग टारगेट ऑडियंस के लिए कॉन्टैक्ट के लिए पैसा खर्च करते हैं, बट गवर्नमेंट इसको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट प्रोवाइड कर रही है. आप अपने टारगेट ऑडियंस को रिकॉग्नाइज करो और ट्रैक करो, उनसे बात करो. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो निकल ही जाएगा. कुछ ना से कुछ तो बेटर है. So I'm shifting to again my website, Uday Shetty. The next point is khadiindia.gov.in. This is the government website in which we can, just like Amazon and Flipkart, we can list our product on the khadiindia.gov.in. And the commission they are charging is very less as comparison to Amazon, Flipkart, or Meesho. So same like msmemart.com. I would like to open this msmemart.com. Again, this is .com. Some type will be there. They are charging less fees as comparison to another big players. Till then, website is opening. This open. मैं कुछ वेबसाइट्स बंद भी कर देता हूँ क्योंकि सेम जैसे लैपटॉप हैंग हो रहा है, वैसे 2-3 साल में इन वेबसाइट्स को पढ़ पढ़ के मेरा दिमाग भी हैंग हो रहा था. इतनी सारी चीजें, इतनी सारी वेबसाइट्स, उसको एक जगह लेके आना तो बहुत मुश्किल टास्क था. हालांकि भगवान की कृपा से, सरस्वती माता की कृपा से हो गया. So msmemart.com. This is the website sponsored by Ministry of MSME, in which we have buyer tool, top category advertisement material, Ayurvedic, bicycle, chemical, consumer electric, fashion and garments, apparel companies. This is the apparel fashion agents. This is the list of agents. There is gold. Some persons are in gold category. Category is there, like just in Amazon, some tagging upper side. This is the website of MSME. This is the scheme MSME booklet. We can read the complete about this website. स्टार्ट बिजनेस अलायंस कैसे करना है, डोमेस्टिक टेंडर्स कौन कौन से है, सेल सप्लायर्स के लिए क्या क्या स्कीम है, सप्लायर्स बेनिफिट क्या है, लिस्ट योर बिजनेस क्या है. इनके जो किस पोस्ट पे है, गांधी जी है तो उनसे अच्छा मेरा प्यार है. तो काफी पर्सन्स मैंने एमएसएमई मार्ट्स पे लिस्ट करवाया है, और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट बिजनेस अलायंस में, बिजनेस लीड्स में किस ढंग से पोस्ट डिस्काउंट, बल्क ऑफर किस ढंग से करना है। सो हम इसको स्टडी करके आगे बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू शिफ्ट टू द मेन पीपीटी। द नेक्स्ट स्कीम इज domestic trade fair. We know that I'm going to open this link. Yes, this is the scheme guidelines. This is the scheme guidelines. You know that nowadays trade fair are being held very much. Usually we are listening to the previous field. In fact, a very successful trade fair was held last month, named Startup Mahakumbh. Divyam, have you visited that trade fair, Startup Mahakumbh? You are from Delhi?
No,
Divyam?
no, no. Basically, sir, I am from Himachal,
You are from Himachal. Okay.
Nalagarh. I am presently reside here in Chandigarh.
Okay, Himachal. There are many friends, Amandeep, they are from Himachal. In last month, Startup Mahakumbh was happened in trade fair in Pragati Maidan. It was for 3 days. You can also participate in this trade fair, and whatever rent you pay, the government is ready to give you back 80% to 100%. I'm going to share the few events. These are the events happening. नागपुर, ये भी इवेंट 12, 22, 11, 25, 11 तक है। क्लोजिंग डेट उसकी ये है, इस पर्सन से कांटेक्ट करना है मुझे इवेंट के लिए, इतना रेंट 54,000 पे करना है। गवर्नमेंट इज, वी हैव टू पे इट टू ऑर्गेनाइजर। गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू रीइंबर्स द दैट एक्सपेंस, रेंट एक्सपेंस। पर्सन कहता है कि रेंट तो हो गया सर, वो जो आने जाने का खर्चा भी तो लगता है ना। गवर्नमेंट कहती है जस्ट पे इट, आई विल रीइंबर्स ऑल्सो, कि वो भी मैं पे कर दूंगी तुझे। ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंस वो भी पे कर दूंगी। इनफैक्ट टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर, आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ दिस। 80% सब्सिडी फॉर जनरल क्लास एंड 100% फॉर SC ST वुमेन, स्पेस रेंट चार्जेस की। और इनफैक्ट 100% ऑफ अप टू 25,000 आने जाने का खर्चा, कि लिमिटेड AC2 ट्रेन फेयर इकोनॉमी, तो उसका आने जाने का खर्चा। और मैक्सिमम मेट्रो सिटी में 1.5 लाख तक, और अदर सिटी में 80,000 तक जो है वो पैसा रिम्बर्स हो जाता है। सो one another thing is there, like I just talk about MSME Mart। तो पर्सन कहता है कि एमएसएमई मार्ट पे रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के लिए सर वो प्रोडक्ट की फोटो शूट करानी पड़ती है, फोटोग्राफर को बुलाना पड़ता है, उसमें भी तो खर्चा आते हैं। सरकार कहती है तू काम कर, उसके भी पैसे मैं दे दूंगी। लाइक providing financial assistance on annual membership subscription fees, contingency like photography, catalog, advertising, अप टू 25,000 तक सरकार फोटोग्राफी के भी पैसे दे रही है, कि अगर आपने प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट करना है एमएसएमई मार्ट पे या किसी भी जो ई कॉमर्स जो गवर्नमेंट ने पैनल पे किया हुआ है, तो उस पे पैनल पे लाना है, तो फोटोग्राफी के भी चार्जेस आपको 25,000 तक रिम्बर्स हो जाते हैं। उसके अलावा देयर इज रिम्बर्समेंट ऑफ बार कोड intervention of around 50,650 नंबर ऑफ बारकोड जो है उसके रिम्बर्समेंट हमें अलाउ हो जाती है। सो गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग वेरी गुड for Uday Shetty. Let's talk about the another person in the game, Majnu Bhai. So the first important, because Majnu Bhai was government tender lover, so there is a website gem.gov.in. In fact, the marketing head of the gem is my good friend, gem portal. In this, government called about all the government department in one area and said you have to purchase 25% from MSC sector, माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल से आपको 25, आपने जितना भी परचेज करना है 25% रिजर्वेशन लगा दी माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल के लिए। और उसमें से भी 3 या 2% कुछ है, करेक्ट मुझे एग्जैक्ट याद नहीं है, 3 या 2% वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए 25 में से भी। सो जो गवर्नमेंट टेंडर लवर्स है, जो गवर्नमेंट टेंडर परचेज करना लेना चाहते हैं, तो जेम पोर्टल पे आकर अभी तक आप देखोगे ऑर्डर वैल्यू इतनी दी जा चुकी है, और इसके अंदर डिटेल्स में आप जाके देखोगे तो इसके इनिशिएटिव्स क्या है, जैम की हैंडबुक पढ़ोगे, इसकी नोटिफिकेशन देखोगे, तो बहुत सारी चीजें आपको ऐसी पता चलेगी जो माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल सेक्टर्स के लिए बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हो रही है। बट वी हैव टू रीड अगेन, पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा। The next website I'm going to talk about, GEM portal is visible.
No, sir. It's not. It's recently loading. It's not. Yeah, it's visible now.
This is the GEM portal website. GEM outlet stores. If we read about business opportunity and this GEM handbook and OM circular, in this, in fact इसमें ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज भी है। कई चार्टर्स को मैं जानता हूँ जो इसके ट्रेनिंग कोर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, कि लेट्स से कि फीस रख दी है उन्होंने 10,000 रुपीज, और जो गवर्नमेंट टेंडर लेना चाहता है तो उनको 5 क्लासेस दे रहे हैं, रिकॉर्डेड क्लास भी हो सकती है, उसमें से एक लाइव क्लास दे देते हैं। तो दे आर ऑफरिंग देयर कोर्सेज, हाउएवर कंप्लीट कोर्सेज ऑनलाइन एंड इट इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। उनके पेट पे मैं लात नहीं मारना चाहता, बट इट इज माय ड्यूटी टू, दिस इज द वेलकम टू द न्यू इंटरैक्टिव ई लर्निंग कंटेंट, कि आप सीख के भी, this is 6 seller journey, 6 courses are there, buyer journey 8 courses are there, interactive buyer certification course 4 courses are there. So we can study on behalf of our client and can provide, in fact we are providing the service of GEM portal handling, in which we are charging for around 3 to 5,000 7,000 for per client per month. It can be pro rata basis also, like one tender it is around 700 rupees, 800 rupees, 1,000 rupees, month के बहुत टेंडर अप्लाई करते हैं, तो so we can charge it on pro rata basis or monthly retainership basis. In fact अकाउंटेंट जो बनते हैं, अगर वो साथ साथ इसको भी सीख ले, तो अगर उसका, नॉर्मल अकाउंटेंट की बात कर रहा हूँ, वो 25,000 ले रहा है, तो ये आराम से ये काम करके अगर गवर्नमेंट टेंडर वाले के पास लगे तो 45,000 आराम से कहीं नहीं छोड़ेगा। सो there are things which are happening around us, but we have like we studied in audit around the computer and inside the computer. So we have to do inside the, we are just looking around the computer, around the scheme. We have to read inside the scheme for better. Now we are shifting to wait, shifting back to Majnu Bhai. Just like GEM portal, there was a scheme of eprocure.gov.in. Some government's tenders are also there in this. This is the sambandh.msme.gov.in. ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल वेबसाइट है। इसमें है क्या, अगर मुझे पता चल जाए कि सरकार क्या लेना चाहती है, उसे प्रोडक्ट क्या चाहिए, तो it is easy for the seller point of view to approach that PSU. You can see the list of PSU are there, like Agri-Note India Limited, Airport Authority of India. Government said you have to mandatory list it down, but which product you have wants to purchase on your website. and sambandh.msme.gov website is there, in which we can this this is I am opening for BHEL, BHEL. Click here to download. You can read procurement from MSC कि भैया ये माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल से ही परचेज करना पड़ेगा. So this is the list the BHEL is offering, that we wants to purchase these items from MSC sector. This is mandatory by government to list it down. Like you can open another biotechnical. This is the list of biotechnical annual requirement plan for financial year 23-24. This is the last year. रिनोवेशन फर्नीचर चाहिए इन्हें, ट्रैवल लॉजिस्टिक लोकल कन्वेंस इतना 40 लाख का मुझे हम खर्चा करते हैं. सो इफ यू नो कि कौन कितना खर्चा करने वाला है हमारी सर्विस के लिए, so we can approach them as supplier. We can file tender for that. They are offering it for micro and small only. So if you know the target audience, we can approach that. So sambandh.msme.gov.in is the website in which we can track the procurement trend of the PSU, public sector undertaking. There are 135 websites, PSU websites are listed down in this. So next, I'm shifting back to my PPT. Majnu bhai, there is a tender MSME Mart. Already talk about MSME Mart is offering tender on behalf of. अगर आप जेम पोर्टल पे सीधा टेंडर नहीं फाइल कर सकते, MSME Mart they are providing the tender service also. You can have tender from like I'm opening the website link again. MSME Mart open करने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. Yes, sharing the website. This is the tender by state, tender by industry, tender by sector. Like दिल्ली NCR में कौन से टेंडर चल रहे हैं, हम इसके अंदर डिटेल्स, और इसमें स्टेट में शायद अपडेटेड नहीं आ रहा. हाँ, ये आ गया कि AC के टेंडर कहाँ पे ओपन चल रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द टेंडर purchase of split AC. We as in supplier can approach them in Gujarat, Assam, Tamil Nadu and file tender through. If we are not going to go for GEM portal, we can approach them through MSME Mart. But obviously they are going to charge for some services for some 1% or 1.5%, depending on the case to case. But the benefit point of view is this: in MSME Mart, EMD will be waived off. Like some big tender is there in which EMD amount is there for around 5 lakh. If we are going to apply through MSME Mart, we don't have to deposit the EMD amount. So there is also scheme for MSME. इसके अंदर हम ये डिटेल में सप्लायर्स के और इसके अंदर डिटेल में ये पढ़ सकते हैं. So next point. दिव्या, हमारे पास कितना टाइम है अभी? 10-15 मिनट है ना अभी? और
10 मिनट है, 10 मिनट है सर.
ठीक है. कुछ वेबसाइट्स में दिखा देता हूँ, नाम दिखा देता हूँ, ओपन नहीं करता क्योंकि खजाना तो बहुत कुछ है. for RDX, you know, export lover, there is lot of organizations are there. I'm saying .org. Again, it is associations of exporters. We can apply for membership there. FIO, what is doing in Indian Business Portal.in. This is just like Amazon. Amazon of exporters. We can list it down our product and supply it to export market in out of India. In Indian trade portal is there, in which we can analysis, get the analysis of our business. You know, Shark Tank India में पूछते हैं आपका मार्केट साइज कितना है, आपका ये सारी डिटेल इस वेबसाइट्स पे अवेलेबल है इंडियन ट्रेड पोर्टल पे. अगर आप इसमें मेंबर बन के आप डिटेल, आई एम नॉट प्रमोटिंग दिस वेबसाइट ओनली. There are lot of organization website in which they are providing you the data. Again, easeoflogistic.com, इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं कि लेट्स से कि मैंने हिमाचल प्रदेश से दिल्ली में माल भेजना है, और मुझे ट्रक वाले जो है अनाप शनाप रेट कोट कर रहे हैं. वी कैन जस्ट लॉग इन आउट ऑन दिस वेबसाइट एंड चेक इट आउट कि यहाँ से यहाँ माल भेजना है तो कितना पैसा लग रहा है, और हम बुक भी कर सकते हैं यहाँ से आराम से. सो मुझे एक प्राइस कंपैरिजन मिल जाएगा कि मुझे कोई लूटने वाला तो नहीं है. सेम अगेन द लास्ट वेबसाइट ic.msme.gov.in. दिस इज द you can say father of domestic trade fair. 1.5 लाख, 1.5 लाख उसमें जो है रिम्बर्समेंट थी 1.5 लाख की, इसमें 5 लाख और 5.5 लाख तक की रिम्बर्समेंट है. ये मैं ओपन करके दिखा देता हूँ. दिस वेबसाइट, इट इज named as International Corporation. Basically, it is linked with DGFT and micro MSME. This is the scheme, International Corporate Scheme. अभी तक इसमें एसोसिएशन जो है 440 रजिस्टर्ड हो चुके हैं, और इसके अंदर जो एप्लीकेंट फॉर द इवेंट, ये अभी जस्ट अभी 19 दिन हुए हैं तो 212 लोगों ने अप्लाई भी कर दिया है. सो हमें, और दिस इज द गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट, इसके थ्रू हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आईसी में यू नो लिस्ट ऑफ द इवेंट कौन कौन से हो रहे हैं आउट ऑफ इंडिया. सानू तो पता नहीं चलता कि कितने कौन सा इवेंट होता पे. सो दिस इज द लिस्ट कि टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड ये वाला इवेंट नेम है. इस इवेंट को आप गूगल करो तो आपके पास डिटेल आ जाएगी, और ये कंप्लीट तो इस साल की पूरी लिस्ट है. यू नो देयर आर 567 events which are going to be organized in this year. Sri Lanka, China, Malaysia. You know, exporter बाहर जाके फोटोज तो डालते हैं कि मैं आज ऑस्ट्रेलिया या मैं आज अमेरिका यूएसए आया हूँ, और हमें ये नहीं पता कि वो उसके लिए सरकार उसको 5 लाख तक दे रही है. आप आने जाने के स्टॉल चार्जेस, फ्लाइट के चार्जेस, तो सरकार उसे 5 लाख तक दे रही है. तो क्यों ना एक छोटा जो है पर्सन, बिजनेसमैन, वो क्यों नहीं एक्सपोर्ट कर सकता. यस, दे कैन एक्सपोर्ट, गो टू वियतनाम, गो टू जम्बा. इतनी इतनी हमारे पास कंट्रीज है, यूएसए है, कतार है, यहाँ पे म्यांमार है, मेक्सिको है, टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड बहुत से एक्सपो लगते हैं, जैसे प्रगति मैदान में या डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड फेयर है. जस्ट लाइक सो आउट ऑफ इंडिया भी ट्रेड फेयर है. गो एंड पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट. Government is going to give you 5 lakh for the that. I'm going to shift to again. RDX next point is payment recovery. So मेन पॉइंट सेल तो कर दिया, पैसा आएगा नहीं आएगा उसका पता नहीं. सो गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल स्पॉटिंग एट दैट प्लेस आल्सो. यू नो अगेन 2 सन ऑफ भारत माता, रोहित एज क्रिश एंड गंगाधर एंड शक्तिमान. जो गंगाधर और रोहित था उनको कुछ शक्तियां मिली थी कि वो शक्तिमान और क्रिश बने. वैसे ही सेम स्मॉल सेक्टर्स प्लेयर्स को गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ शक्तियां दी है, जिसके थ्रू दे आर गोइंग टू बिकम शक्तिमान और क्रिश ऑफ देयर बिजनेस. फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज samadhan.msme.gov.in. what is there in Samadhan scheme? If we belong to MSC sector and somebody is not paying our money, or you can say dues, instead of going to court, तारीख पे तारीख, we can file a case against them through this portal. That person will receive notice through the Ministry of MSME, and for timely redressal, the government made separate bench to handle the cases, and it will cost only rupees 3500 only. कि एक केस भेजने के लिए, लेट्स से कि मेरा 10 लाख पैसा अटका हुआ, तो एक लॉगिन किया, उसमें पेपर सबमिट की, it will cost only 3500 cost, and for notice will be served to him with on behalf of Ministry of MSME. Then we know rule of section 16 subsection 2. My partner CA Gaurav Satija is expert in GST. He will talk about that. 180 days का rule तो सभी जानते हैं. Then 43 भी इसने जो हल्ला मचाया वो था नया नया. So 45 days की जो हमारे, हालांकि इनफैक्ट if we read the detail, it is beneficial for the small scale sector. MSC sectors के लिए beneficial है कि 45 दिन में उनको पेमेंट आ जाती है, बट इससे कुछ नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट भी है, प्रोस एंड कॉन्स सभी के होते हैं. सो बजट 23 की अमेंडमेंट थी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ट्रेड्स पोर्टल. there are 3 trade portal, .in, .com, .com. Again, I'm highlighting the .com part. This is we know read in 11th bill discounting form कि मैंने bill discount करा लिया, but in practical हमें पता नहीं था कि bill discount होता कैसे. So there are 3 websites in which we have to upload the bills of our dues. You know, debtors are there. We sold goods of around 50 lakh, but the payment terms is around 90 days. So we can go for this website and upload it on website. Some bidder will be there, they will discount it, and 50 around of 50 lakh 49 lakh मिल जाएंगे, 49 lakh 50,000 मिल जाएंगे. So जितना भी ब्याज या इंटरेस्ट होगा वो हमें डिस्काउंट करके मिल जाएगा. So next question we are going to talk about, जो हम अगेन दिव्यम आप नोट करोगे कि 2 घंटे के अंदर जो हम असल में चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स कर रहे हैं टैक्सेशन पार्ट, वो जस्ट 3 मिनट का है. So there are lot of opportunity in the, startup and MSME. We can talk about. The next question is tax. टैक्स में 80 IAC की एग्जाम्पशन हम बहुत पढ़ रहे हैं कि आउट ऑफ 10 years 3 years टैक्स हॉलीडेज मिल जाएगा फॉर स्टार्टअप रिकॉग्निशन कंपनीज के लिए. टैक्स एग्जाम्पशन अंडर सेक्शन 56, इन्वेस्टमेंट अब फेयर मार्केट प्राइस. दिव्यम, आप पास आउट कब हुए थे?
लास्ट ईयर सर, इन मई 23.
तो 56 का आपने अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा टैक्स एग्जाम्पशन फाइनल में, कि अगर हम फेयर मार्केट प्राइस से अबव इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, लेट्स से इन शार्क टैंक इंडिया, मैंने अपनी वैल्यू लगवाई, मैंने 10% इक्विटी 10 करोड़ के बदले 1 करोड़ के बदले ले ली, यानी कि मेरी वैल्यूएशन थी 10 करोड़. इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट पहुंच जाता है, भैया जो आपने जो है अपनी असल वैल्यू जो है वो 7 करोड़ थी, सो उसके लिए अगेंस्ट आपको इक्विटी मिलना चाहिए था 70 लाख, आपको पैसा मिला 1 करोड़. 30 lakh is your profit and give me income tax on that amount. So for that complication, उस complication को खत्म करने के लिए tax exemption is there under section 56. If somebody is making investment, because investor is making investment on the point of view of valuation, or rules are different for different perspective. So for that point 56 exemption was there. Again tax exemption under section 56 for 54 GB. लाइक दिव्यम क्या करते हैं कि उन्होंने घर पे गए, उन्होंने स्टार्टअप MSME का एक फटाफट अभी सेमिनार देखा है, पापा की प्रॉपर्टी के कागज निकाले, प्रॉपर्टी के कागज बेच दिए, और उसे जो है अलग से एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दिया. पापा ने जो है चित्तर मारे इस करके कि चित्तर पंजाबी पीटना कहते हैं, कि भाई क्या कर रहा है, मैंने ये प्रॉपर्टी जो ली थी वो ली थी उस टाइम पे 10 लाख की, आज के टाइम पे तूने 3 करोड़ की बेच दी, तो और पक्के की बेच दी तूने, 3 करोड़ का पैसा आ रहा है, और 3 करोड़ पे कैपिटल गेन वो कौन देगा? दिव्यांग को याद आया, अच्छा अच्छा, कि हाँ फाइनल में सर ने ये तो बताया था कैपिटल गेन होता है। ओ हो, टैक्स लग गया, अब तो 3 करोड़ तो मेरे रहे ही नहीं पूरे, उसमें टैक्स देना पड़ेगा। बट मोदी जी ने या भारत माता ने एक और स्कीम लॉन्च कर दी, 54 GB। इफ हम प्रॉपर्टी बेचकर स्टार्टअप की इक्विटी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, जो कि आगे पैसा यूज हो रहा है प्लांट एंड मशीनरी में, तो जो वो कैपिटल गेन लगा था वो नहीं लगेगा। सो दिव्यम, यू आर फ्री टू सेल योर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ योर फादर। तो लोकर में जाके प्रॉपर्टी डॉक्यूमेंट आप बेच सकते हो, टैक्स नहीं लगेगा। The next point is capital gain exemption under 54EE स्टार्टअप कि अगर जो हम जैसे हम नहाई के बॉन्ड में इन्वेस्ट करते थे, वैसे ही एक एलटीसीजी बॉन्ड लगता है, तो उस एलटीसीजी लगता है, तो उसके एग्जाम्पशन के लिए हम इस कैपिटल गेन में एग्जाम्पशन में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। अच्छा, अगर हमने अभी पीछे फंड ऑफ फंड पढ़ा था, फादर फंड पढ़ा था, दिस इज द सेम फंड इन विच गवर्नमेंट इज टेकिंग अमाउंट। सो हम जनता इस फंड में लगा रहे हैं एग्जाम्पशन के लिए, सरकार उस फंड को वीसी को दे रही है, और वीसी वो फंड जनता को दे रहा है। अगेन, कर्मा इज बैक, डू गुड हैव गुड। अगर हम घूम फिर के हमारा पैसा हमारे पास आ रहा है, हमारा पैसा किसी और के पास, हम नीडी के पास जा रहा होगा। सो गवर्नमेंट बहुत शार्प है, मतलब हमारे जैसे तो बहुत उनके पास बैठे हैं जो ये स्कीम्स बनाने वाले हैं। और कैरी फॉरवर्ड ऑफ लॉस ऑफ सेक्शन 79, इसके अंदर क्या है कि 51% होल्डिंग की एक कंडीशन हुआ करती थी, बट वो हटा दी है, क्योंकि इन्होंने इक्विटी डाइल्यूशन करना होता है स्टार्टअप्स ने, कि अगर इन केस 51% से भी नीचे हो जाता है, तब भी हम कैरी फॉरवर्ड ऑफ लॉस कर सकते हैं 7 ईयर का। कंडीशन ये है, फाउंडर सेम रहने चाहिए, नंबर ऑफ फाउंडर वो सेम रहे। 51% से नीचे इक्विटी डाइल्यूट हो जाती है तब भी कोई इशू नहीं है। अगेन, नेक्स्ट इज 156, 191, 192। इसको अगर आप ईसोप के बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ोगे, तो ईसोप एम्प्लॉयज को कैसे रोका जाए, तो इन सेक्शंस में ईसोप के बारे में टैक्सेबिलिटी जो है बहुत खूबसूरत की गई है। इसकी वजह से जो स्टार्टअप्स में जो एम्प्लॉयज है वो रिटेंशन रहते हैं। और आजकल जो है बहुत से स्टार्टअप्स, इनफैक्ट मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता, वो अपनी पॉलिसी में इनकॉर्पोरेट करने लग गया ये वाला पॉइंट, सो डेट उनके जो एम्प्लॉइज है वो उन्हें छोड़ के ना जाए। तो बहुत से एचआर भी है वो शाने बन गए हैं इसको इनकॉर्पोरेट करके। अगेन, देयर इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ joint family cluster. I already explained. There is this fourth scheme in which 250, if we gather around 250 hand workers, we can claim for 2.50 सब्सिडी, 2.5 करोड़ की सब्सिडी ले सकते हैं इसके अंदर हम सपोर्ट स्कीम के अंदर। बहुत सारे अदर फीचर्स है, जैसे कि इसके अंदर जेट सर्टिफिकेशन बहुत चल रहा है, जेट सर्टिफिकेशन तो बहुत सी स्कीम्स के साथ लॉन्च कर दिया गया। इनफैक्ट हमने भी बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे इसका काम किया जेट सर्टिफिकेशन का। सो टेस्टिंग सेंटर भी है, कोई क्वेरी है तो इस वेबसाइट पे आप ले सकते हैं। अगर कोई जैसे कि यहाँ पे हरियाणा में नू डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, उसके लिए अलग से स्कीम्स लॉन्च की गई है, एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट दिए गए हैं। और स्टेट इंसेंटिव है, ऐसी बहुत सारी, लेट्स से कि हिमाचल प्रदेश की मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ। हिमाचल प्रदेश कहाँ है, this is the website of emerging himachal.hp.gov.in. You are from Divyam, you are from Himachal, so I'm showing this. मैं एक एक बार सभी इस पे लिंक पे क्लिक कर देता हूँ, क्लिक नहीं करता, चला जाता हूँ, सो डेट पर्सन जो है वो अपनी अपनी स्क्रीनशॉट ले सके ड्यूरिंग द लिंक। शो हो रहा है ना दिव्यम?
हाँ जी सर।
ना, तो
yes we can see here the links, yes definitely।
एक बार सब पे चला जाता हूँ, सो डेट लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले ले। आई थिंक उत्तर
After
प्रदेश।
this let's move to sir Q&A session, we have some good questions received।
ओके, जस्ट लेट मी कंप्लीट द स्टेट। सो वेस्ट बंगाल रह गया दीदी। This is the state incentive website. I'm not going to talk about in detail state incentive. State-wise, it will differ. So it is the mail ID and contact number. आप इस पे अपनी क्वेरीज अभी तो ले रहे हैं, इनफैक्ट सिटी और नेम लिख के आप सेशन कैसा लगा फीडबैक एक बार भेज सकते हैं साथ में। दिस इज द इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल, इनफैक्ट दिव्यम, इट इज माई, ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत फीलिंग जो है, प्राउड की बात है कि अभी इन्फ्लुएंसर मीट हुई थी 2024 में
Yes, I saw
आईसीआई।
you.
तो 41 ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स उसमें से इनवाइट किए गए थे। इंस्टीट्यूट ने मुझे भी उसमें इनवाइट किया था। आई वाज देयर इन दैट मीट, इन दिस थ्रू दिस सोशल मीडिया हैंडल, थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम। मैं बहुत सारी स्कीम्स जैसे कि अभी हमने डिस्कस किया, तो एक एक मिनट में बहुत सारी स्कीम्स उसको डिटेल्स में बता रहा हूँ, जितना बता सकते हैं, चाहे उसको ह्यूमर वे में, सो दैट पब्लिक तक अवेयरनेस पहुंच सके। सरकार बहुत कुछ कर रही है बट अवेयरनेस नीचे लेवल तक नहीं है। सो उसका एक छोटा सा काम कर रहा हूँ। सो इंस्टाग्राम पे लोग कनेक्ट करके उस पर डिटेल्स में वीडियोस देख सकते हैं। सो दैट्स माय पार्ट। थैंक यू दिव्यम सर।
Yes, sir. We have some good Q&A questions received, sir. Shall we start for that?
या श्योर।
Sir, as you told that between a government and entrepreneur, there is a banker who is a middleman. And nowadays, when a person moves through bank, so bank really does not easily agree for a loan without collateral. So you told about Jan Samarth. If we like in existing business, we need to expand. We need an expansion loan. How can Jan Samarth support here? How can we proceed through Jan Samarth? A small insight on this.
For the expansion, like
Expand,
increasing
like
the
we want
loan.
existing, we want loan for expanding our business now. How can Jan Samarth be was helpful here or in a new business too?
एग्जिस्टिंग के लिए बैंक बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। बैंक इज ऑलरेडी सपोर्टिंग टू द एग्जिस्टिंग, इफ वी कैन से लाइक आई हैव loan of our amount 1 crore, increase it to 1.5 crore, and otherwise I will shift it to a private bank or another
Yes.
bank. Banker is already going to support that. Jan Samarth is not going to, it is handling only the starting, seed part, angel part, not
Okay.
increasing amount, second amount वहाँ पे handle नहीं हो रहा।
And if we go for a new loan for a new business for a set up a new business, so first we have to contact the Jan Samarth portal. After that, we have to proceed towards bank.
Yes,
Okay.
Jan
Through
Samarth is the middleman. You
okay.
can approach directly to bank and send a query to Jan Samarth also. They will call, sir उनकी फाइल आई है, हुआ क्या उनका, सर उनकी फाइल आई है,
Okay.
तो
Okay. That's a
वो
big middle between a banker and a entrepreneur.
yes, yes.
Right. Another question. There's a participant. He asked that is there any direct platform to identify the government incentive available for specific product? Like if we want to start a biofuel manufacturing unit, so I want to see what are the government incentives related to that product specific. Is there any platform direct for that?
Divyam, I'm going to use my Brahmastra of website. You can note it down from that also. And Brahmastra of the website is myscheme.gov.in.
Wow, that's something insightful. Yeah,
In this,
definitely.
in this, you can search any ministry,
Wow.
any scheme, any industry, any state. All schemes are there on that website. मुझे भी ये वाली वेबसाइट अभी लगभग 4-5 महीने पहले ही पता चली थी। तो
Okay.
जो मैंने ये वेबसाइट का जो जंजाल उठाया था, तो वो मेरे लिए आसान हो जाता अगर वो मुझे पहले पता चलती। तो
Okay.
लेकिन वही है, धीरे धीरे सारी चीजें पता चलती है। तो mymsme.gov.in इस वेबसाइट इज देयर, तो वहां से हम ट्रैक कर सकते हैं।
Okay. In starting, while discussing about Karan, you discussed about incubation stage, where we can get up to rupees 15 lakh for an idea. If we apply for it, do we get that money in trenches or we get that amount
No,
in
it will be in trenches. Like
okay. Okay.
if you have to consult to main person, like some engineer, if we have to pay some consultancy fees 15,000, 20,000, or we have to purchase some raw material, so trenches will be there, not in one shot.
Okay. This one, another participant asked about this Stand Up India scheme. Can you share some insights about Stand Up India scheme in a brief, just a small brief?
स्टैंड अप इंडिया स्कीम, इसके अंदर बहुत लोन अमाउंट जो है वो अनसिक्योर्ड बेस पे रखा गया है। इसकी
Okay.
हालांकि मैंने वीडियो कंप्लीट बनाई हुई है, तो आप पेज पे जाके उसको डिटेल में पढ़ सकते हैं। जो है बेसिकली अनसिक्योर्ड लोन है, और नए सेक्टर्स के लिए दिया गया, वुमेन्स के लिए काफी इसमें दिया गया है, तो उसको डिटेल्स में जाके स्टैंड अप इंडिया पे आप पढ़ सकते हैं।
Okay, that's a good one. There's another question, like sometimes a new entrepreneur wants to set up a plant, but the machinery cost is really high, so they are able to access this second-hand machinery. Like a new machinery setup might cost 3 crores, but he might be getting that second-hand machinery for 50 lakhs. So, is there any way out for getting funding for this second-hand machinery?
Second-hand machinery is not. We can go for funding, but subsidy will not be there.
No subsidy. It's only on new products.
Yes. New product, new
Okay.
machinery on subsidy.
Okay, got that. Another thing, what are are there any various schemes that you can discuss in which MSME can avail loans at a lower interest rates?
Lower interest rate.
Yeah, any specific schemes, like I think PMEGP, it's their subsidy for 5%.
There are scheme for interest subvention. I just talk about the myscheme.gov.in, in which you can look out for banking sector. There are some interest subvention schemes are there for horticulture department, for cold storage, for agri infra. In fact, private banking are also doing the same for subsidy for interest subvention also.
And any specific incentives for young women entrepreneur you might want to share? For young women, yes.
So वुमेन्स को तो हर जगह प्रेफरेंस मिल रही है सर। मैंने अभी जस्ट बात की, जेम पोर्टल पे 2% 3% वुमेन्स के लिए रिजर्वेशन। सब जो हम डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड फेयर, वी आर गोइंग टू 100% ऑफ रिफंड फॉर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स। So there are various schemes for. I just mentioned schemes. Read it and find out.
Okay. My second last question is, you talked about this payment recovery Samadhan portal, right? So, is there any time resolution that this case would be disposed in?
Yes.
And if it doesn't get disposed, any higher authority?
Timeline is there, around 90 days and 180 days, two different timelines. But practically वो भी follow नहीं हो पा रही, क्योंकि बहुत सारे cases आ गए हैं. So might be possibility इस budget में वो timeline या तो extend की जाएगी, या बहुत से benches और launch किए जाएंगे, so that वो timeline complete कर सके.
And my last question. And lastly, you want to discuss any professional opportunities, although you discussed in between, like you discussed about gem.gov.in, that trainings that you give. Any other professional opportunities you want to discuss for CS?
Sir,
there are many. Yeah.
There are lot of opportunity, because जो businessman है, उसको गल्ले पे बैठना है, उसको सेल करनी है, उसको मतलब नहीं है, वो नहीं पढ़ेगा स्कीम. He is not going to read that scheme in detail. It is the chartered accountant only who is going to read the scheme and बताएगा कि सर ये स्कीम है, इसमें ये बेनिफिट है. तो हमारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. इनफैक्ट मैं वही बात कर रहा हूँ कि आप डिटेल्स में, ये तो अभी जस्ट एक ट्रेलर था जो 2 घंटे की थी.
Yes, there's so much to read, so much to learn.
बहुत सारी स्कीम्स. मतलब ये जो पीपीटी अगर मैं ओपन कर, जो सर हमारी स्टार्टिंग में इशू आया था, ये पीपीटी एक्चुअली 4 GB की है, 4 GB की है. तो इसको ओपन करने में ही टाइम लग रहा था, तो मुझे दूसरे लैपटॉप में शिफ्ट होना था, तो वहां पे थोड़ा सा गैप आ गया था. तो सर आपका म्यूट है सर, आप अनम्यूट कर दो सर.
Okay. Awesome webinar.
Thank you,
session
sir.
which you give.
Thank you, sir.
I just wanted to give a vote of thanks on behalf of everyone. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude and big thanks to, first of all, our chairman sir, CA Dheeraj Khandelwal ji, our vice chairman sir, CA Dr. Raj Chawla ji, and special thanks to you sir, CA Kanul Kathuria ji, for generously sharing your expertise and putting together all this MSME Pathshala series, all about government initiatives and its website. Your insightful presentation, sir, really provided invaluable insights into navigating various government platforms.
Definitely, we will.
It was.
In the future, we will definitely conduct you for again valuable sessions and such a giving a awesome webinars.
Thank you, sir, for your outstanding presentation. Means a lot, sir. It was a wonderful.
Thank you.
We'll definitely connect you in future.
Thank you.
For
Thank
your
you, sir.
patience. Thank you so much. Have a great time.
Jai Bharat, Jai Israel.
Jai Mata Di, sir. Jai Bharat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.